Many people, they have no faith about Gaur Nityananda. Because they have lack of Sukriti. There is spiritual pious activity. And so far this is so jatha jatha gaura padar binde binde dhvat kritapunna punja. Kritapunna punja means one who has Lord Sukriti, previous life Sukriti. Only they will completely surrender to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Or one who completely, absolutely surrender to the spirit of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and automatically Radha Prem manifests. Jatha jatha gaura padar vinde binde bhuvat krita punna punja tatha tatha sape hiri akasma Radha padambujo sudhambudas. We want to show Radha Prem, Gopi Prem. But how will get? Only surrender lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Sundar. Gaurir Kripa Holeri. Our Bengali song, if you receive the mercy of Gaur Sundar. Godra mein Nitya Nanda Mahajan Pati ache naam hat jiver karan Godru mein Nityananda Mahajan Pati ache naam hat jiver karan Shraddhavan jan he Shraddhavan jan Shraddhavan jan he Shraddhavan jan Thakur composed this verse and glorification about Nityananda Prabhu. Shraddhavan. Shraddhavan means one who has faith. What faith? Not ordinary faith. Means Attantiki Shraddha. Attantiki means one faith. That is called firm faith. Didha Shraddha. Understand? Many kinds of Shraddha. Lokik Shraddha, worldly faith. Worldly faith is yours. Just you, Maharaj Dandavatan. That is called Hiva. What is Lokik Shraddha? Then Paramarthik Shraddha. Then listen Hari Katha. Then your spiritual faith will come. Then when we more and more listen Hari Katha, then God of Shraddha, that is called the deep faith will come. Actually, that is called the, what did they say? Kya bola? Attantiki Shraddha. Attantiki Shraddha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur used this word, Attantiki, firm faith. That Shraddha will never go away. So, here they also say, Gaur Nityananda. Jatha jatha gaura padar binde binde bhuvat krita punna punja. Tatha tatha sapi hri akasma. If you have faith with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mane atmantik shraddha, Gaur Nityananda, then automatically Radha Prem manifest in your heart. Especially in this Kali Yuga, without this mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, any method you can attain to Lord Krishna. Aradhito navanam vrindavani vati Naradhito navanam vrindavana eva duri Aradhito dijasuta brajanagaraste Naradhito dijasuta nataviha Krishna. Prabhudananda Saraswati Pad, he composed this verse. Aradhito navavanam, one who worships Navavan. Navavan means Navadivya. Aradhito Navavanam, Vrindavanam, one who worships Navadivya. That means first take shelter Navadivya. Aradhito Navavanam, Vrindavanam. Then very easy to attain Vrindavanam. Naradhito Navavanam. If you not worship Navadivya, you never attain Vrindavanam. Aradhito Dijasuta Brajanagaraste. If you worship Dijasuta. Dijasuta means? What do you mean Dijasuta? Dijasuta means the son of Jagannath Mishra. That's called Sachinanda Gaura Hari. Aradhito Dijasuta. Brajanagaraste. Then very easy to attain Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Very simple. And Naradhito Dijasuta. Not aware Krishna. If you not worship Sachinanda Gaur Hari, you never attain Krishna. What would go Vrindavan? Vrindavan is very far. Now complete certain surrender, you worship Sachinanda Gaur Hari. So Padya Naradi is saying, Manare kahana gaura katha, Manare kahana gaura katha, Amar gaurer naam, ami aradham, piriti murati data, Amar gaurer naam, ami aradham, about Sachinanda Gauri. Manre kahana gaura katha. O mind, always you glorify about gaura katha. Not any katha. Gaura katha. Manre kahana gaura katha. Gauri ra naam ami aradham. The name of Sachinanda Gauri, that the abode of sweet nectar, Amrit Dham. Sayane gaura, sapane gaura. In my dream, in my sleep, everything is what? Gaura, Gaura. When I will give up my body, and that time, to chant, Gaura. Gaura. Gaura boliya jau ka jivana kichu na chahiva. I have no any other desires. What is it? When I will give up my body, the end of my life, what will chant? Gaura, Gaura. Haridas Thakur. Chanted how many names? How many?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But day before departure from this material world, Haridas Thakur, he asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, give one blessing. Haridas Thakur become very sick. 2 days he did not take any prasad. Mahaprabhu brought some Jagannath prasad. Mahaprabhu told Haridas, take this prasad. Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, how will you take this prasad? And I not complete my chanting prescribed holy names, not complete one. Then, so Mahaprabhu told Haridas, now you are sick. Now you no need to give attention of your what is called
prescribed number of rounds.
Prescribed number of chanting holy names. Every name you are actual taking bath in the Ganges, all the tirthas. Siddha hoile kena karo namero agraha. Now you are practicing, no need. You are chanting one holy name is enough. But Haridas Thakur, Prabhu, how possible? I took vow that every day I have to chant 3 lakhs holy names, 300,000 holy names. How many rounds you are chanting? Haridas Thakur every day he chanted. But Mahaprasad has come. আর কেমনে? Lungi book. Lungi means Mahaprasad is not different from Krishna. Mahaprasadi Govindi Nama Brahmani Vaishnavi Salva Punna Vadang Rajana Vissasana Vijaya. Mahaprasad is not different from Krishna. Krishna Nam or Mahaprasad. The remnants of Krishna. Both are same. What to do now? Mahaprabhu told them, don't worry, you take Mahaprasad. Mahaprabhu last Thakur little bit. Take Mahaprasad. Jagannath Mahaprabhu. Then Haridas Thakur told Prabhu, you give one blessing. Well, what do you want? Well, Prabhu, when I would be leave my last breath, Antim Sas, last breath, just to see your lotus face and chant your name, Gaurana. So, whole life he chant Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now Haridas Thakur, what is asking? Prabhu, I will just see your lotus face, Mukha Mandal, and also chant your sweet name, Madhurana, Gaurana. Mahaprabhu cried, Haridas, if you leave this body, how can I live here? How can I survive my life? You are my assist to preaching. Nam Sankirtan Pracharak. Pracharak means preacher. To preach Nam Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu also cried. Then next Mahaprabhu gave blessing. Haridas, everything depends on the desires of Krishna. Last Mahaprabhu also. Kripa kori Krishna more diya chila sangha. Krishna ichhai ohila sei sangha bhanga. Mahaprabhu told, according to the desire of Krishna, Krishna gave me sangha associated with you. And now according to the desire of Krishna, separate. What to do? Bhakta sangha, association to devotees, and separate from devotee. This is not in our hand. Everything depends on Krishna and Mahaprabhu. Then next morning Mahaprabhu came. Then Haridas Thakur, Prabhu, give me some blessing. Then Haridas Mahaprabhu took his transcendental body on his lap. And Haridas Thakur just looking lotus face of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. First chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jai Gaur, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura He, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura He, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura Gaura, Gaura He. Haridas Thakur chanted Gaurana. Bhishma Nirjan Jata Kahila. As like Bhishma Pitamaha, he also lay down on the bed of arrows. And he took vow, according to my desire, I will leave my body. That is called Bhishma Nirjan. And in the same way, Haridas Thakur, his own desire, and chanting Gaurana. And look very nice, beautiful lotus face of Sachinandana Gaurhari. Sachinandana Gaurhari means is what? The combined form of Radha and Krishna. Gaurhari. So our scriptures explain Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vindi Binded Bhuad Kritapunna Punja Tatha Tatha Sarpehri Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhamburas. Eh? So the teaching, how we absorb into Gaura Katha. Gaura Nam, Gaura Dham, Gaura Katha. Eh? And Gaura Katha means is what? Radha Krishna's Katha. They are not different from Krishna Katha, not different from Radha Katha. Eh? So now coming in this Gaura Katha. Very sweet. Krishna Katha, when you listening, many need many things also. Many confusion will come also. Mainly Krishna perform last dance, why, who are these gopis, and who is Srimati Radhika. But Gaura Katha, no need. Just very simple. Gaura Nam. Gaura Nam, Gaura Katha. Fatya Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vinde. Vinde Kitapunna Punja Tata Tasapi Hri Akasma. Radha Padambujo Sudhambara. Radha Prematum manifested. So just yesterday, I also told Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised he will be stay in 5 places. First he told he will stay in Sachira Mandir, in the house of Sachimata. Okay. Vrindavan Pratyajan Padamekam Navachat. Krishna also took vow. I never go at one stay from Vrindavan. Okay. In the same way, Navadvip Dham is called non-different from Vrindavan also. Navadvip Dham is not different from Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always is staying in Vrindavan. But they are staying in Navadvip Dham. So just I tell you, Krishna 2 types of lila. In the same way, Mahaprabhu 2 types of lila. What is called? One is called Nitya lila, or another is called Naimittik lila. Understand or no? Nitya lila. Nitya lila. Or Naimittik lila, that is occasional lila. What is the Nitya lila? Krishna always staying in Vrindavan. Not going to the place. Krishna actually Nitya lila is what? Herding the cows. Playing with the gopis, that is called Nitya lila. And Krishna always, he lives in Vrindavan, staying in Vrindavan. So but this lila is called Nitya lila. And especially Ras lila, that is called Nitya lila. Or some lila is called Naimittik lila, occasional lila. Our Jiva Goswami Pad, in his Sandarbha, very nicely explained about Nitya lila and Naimittik lila. And in Golok Vrindavan, Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, there are no Krishna's Janma Lila. Understand? What is that? Janma Lila means?
Birth ceremony, birth occasion.
Do not
Appearance.
Janma Lila. But that Lila is going on, how is going on? Jogmasi arrange. That is called Bhava Matra. Bhava Matra is just sentiments. Mother Sudha is thinking, today I gave birth my son Krishna. There is no Putana Bodh Lila, no Putana Mokshan Lila. In Aprakat Lila, so Krishna again 2 types of Lila, Prakat Lila and Aprakat. Or Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, there is no Lila of killing Putana. But this Lila is going on. How is Lila is going on? Because in Aprakat Vrindavan there is no form of Putana, because Asura cannot go there. Understand? But Jogmasi arranged this Lila is going on. So Janma Lila, Asur Badh Lila, not in there. But Lila is going on. But so for this is called Bhava Matra. But how this Bhava Matra? How this sentiment Bhava? Because everything you cannot understand when your material concepts are. You bhajan and sadhan, then Jogmaya manifest in your heart, you don't understand. So Nitya Lila and Naimittik Lila. Understand this? And when Krishna manifests in this Leela in Bhauma Vrindavan, and that time you can see Krishna, he takes birth from the womb of Mother Jasoda. There is Krishna Janma Leela. Krishna, he kills many demons, Putana, Agasur, Bakasur, Tinavarta, many Leela. Huh? So now in the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also two types of Leela. One is called Nitya Leela, another is called Namitta Leela, Gaur Leela. In Nitya Leela, Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he says Navadip Dham, Satadip Dham, Gauradham. Gaurala, because Navadip Dham is an advance from Vrindavan. Just I told Krishna, he does not go out one step for Vrindavan. In the same way, Sachidananda Gaurhari, he does not go one step from Navadip. So other Sannyas Leela, he goes here and there. That is Namitta Leela. Those who are very high class, exalted, Vaishnava, they can understand, they can realize. But just we understand, Krishna two types of Nitya Leela and Namitta Leela. In the same way, Mahaprabhu two kinds of Leela. One is called Nitya Leela and it's called Namitta Leela. Because those are high class, exalted devotee coming in the stage of Bhava and Premadasa. That time Ashtakali Leela is coming. Krishna's Ashtakali Leela, no Asurbhadra Leela. Like if you read Govinda Bhavanamrit, Govinda Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit, Govinda Lilamrit. He told, Gurudev told, I never read Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit. I never read Govinda Lilamrit. How do you sing, Gurudev?
How do you sing? Do you sing?
No, how do you say? कैसे आप बोल रहे हैं? नहीं पढ़े.
How do you know? You must know to not be able to say what you just said.
You no need to read. Your heart is everything. No need to read. Studying something. Chastisement. I never read Govinda Lila Bhavanamrit. Why you read? Hey! No,
I know you're reading.
Especially the Russian devotees.
That means, sir, you are not qualified. If you are not qualified, you should not read. But if you qualified, then if you can,
no need to read.
if you cannot digest, so should not read. Digest means you got. What do you mean your digest? No. If your heart last anger coming, you should not read. Because that relies very, very confidence. Otherwise, you will commit offenses. Because Radha Krishna has very, very confidence. And almost pastimes is there. Are you not compromise if they think Krishna is Bhagavan? For this regard, always Rashlilas first he explained these words. Who is performing Rashlila? Not Krishna. Who is? Bhagavan. First he is Krishna. Who is Krishna? He is Bhagavan. Bhagavan Uvitaratri. First use this word. Rashla's first log is what? Sri Sukha Uvacha. Badrani Uvacha. Badrani means Sukdev Uvacha. What is it? Bhagavan Uvitaratri Sardutpulla Mallika Rantu Manas Chakri Joga Maya Upasritam. Bhagavan. Sukdev Goswami path. Very careful to Parikshit Maharaj, listen. Who is going to perform Ras dance? Bhagavan. So Bhagavan Upi Taratri Sarada Utpulla Mallika Rantu Manas Chakri Joga Maya Upas. Joga Maya. And Bhagavan is going to perform Ras dance with the gopi with his Jogamaya. Jogamaya Upasitam. You have Jogamaya or not? So, very carefully.
Don't perform.
So Bhagavan Vitaratri Sardapulla Mallika Dantu Manas Chakri Jogamayam Upasitam. So first you will be think who is doing Bhagavan. And Madhurjir, Bhagavattar Madhurjir sar. Bhagavattar Madhurjir Bhagavattar Madhurjir sar. The essence of opulence is what? Madhurja is there. Without opulence, then Madhurja will not manifest. Because Bhagavan is doing. This is the opulence. But what he is doing? Rasa Lila. Rasa Lila is Madhurja. First, opulence. You have to. Who is Krishna? Krishna, who is Krishna? Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan. Ete changsha kalapungsa. Krishna stu Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan use this word. Not only Bhagavan. But this word? Is Swayam Bhagavan. Ram, Nrsimha, they are Bhagavan. What is Bhagavan? They are called Amsa Avatar. Avatar, Kala, Amsa. Or Krishna stu Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Ramadi Murti Sukala Niyamanatishtan Nanavataru Mukurat Bhuvane Sukintu Krishna Sang Paramaparam Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. And Govinda Adi Purush, Sarva Lokaika Nayaka. He is the Sarva Loka, he is the supreme controller of the universe. Not only the and all the incarnation. He is the source of all incarnation. That is called Sarva Avatari. Sarva Avatari. He is the cause of all the causes. Ram, Nrsimha, all it comes and manifested from. So Ramadi Murti Sukala Nivana Tishtan Nana Avataru Makrut Bhuvanesu Kintu. Because this is a Tattva Darshan. Tattva Darshan means is opulence. Tattva Darshan means philosophy means is opulence. So first Paisya Jagat. Then you understand his sweetness, Madhurja. Understand? Some give an example. One very prominent person doing anything, that time and media or newspaper, they print the paper and everybody reading. And if you do same thing, no one no, you print you also. You are not going in the paper. Why? Because you are not prominent person. If the president doing anything, next day headline coming. He did. And if you do the same thing, no one. And if you also put no one reading also. Why I am saying? Because Krishna is Bhagavan, supreme. Not only was Swayam Bhagavan. And Swayam Bhagavan, what is he doing? Rasa. Madhurja. Vaisarja. Then Madhurja. This is Bhagavattar Sat Madhurja. Sukh Vyas, Granth Bhagavati, Madhyamante Koilo, Prachar. Chaitanya Krishna Das Guru. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami, Vyasdev Goswami very nicely glorified about Krishna's two things. What is that? His supremacy, Bhagavatta, and his Madhurjata, sweetness, Lila. This thing. But first to understand, he is Bhagavan. Bhagavatta. He is Bhagavan. And now he is stealing butter. If Krishna would, ordinary person, he steal butter, no one can interest. bitterly beat and put in the jail. But Krishna steals butter. And everybody want to listen his Makhanchari Katha. How Krishna stole the butter from the house of Brajavasi. Understand? If you go to the steal the butter, they will be bitterly beaten. But Krishna, he steals the butter. Understand? One gopi, she complained to Mother Jashoda. Hey, Mother Jashoda, listen. Your son every day used to come my house and stealing butter. But Mother Jashoda, she did not believe. How possible? Because in my house, first class cows are there. That milk. What the cows? Two kinds of one kind of cows. That's called Padma Gandha Gavi. Padma Gandha Gavi. Gavi means cows. That cow's milk, very sweet fragrance of lotus. And that cow is only in the house of Nanda Maharaj and Vishwanu Maharaj. Not anybody else's house. Understand? You listen or not? What did he say?
You said there are some cows. They're called Padma.
Padma Gandha. Padma Gandha's cow. Their milk, it's sweet fragrance as like lotus. And that cow is only in the house of Nanda Maharaj, Vishwanu Maharaj. And that cow's milk, Mother Jashoda herself, churning yogurt, and create the butter and feed to Krishna. Best thing. So Mother Jashoda did not believe how possible my son will go to your house and steal the water, low caste,
Low grade.
low
grade.
low grade, butter.
Poor quality. Poor quality.
Poor qualities. Why possible? If you get the best thing, then you can steal. And if you are in your house, best qualities, so how possible you go to the other's house? That is the
Cheap.
lower qualities. So for this regard, Mother Jashoda, she did not believe. She sometimes laughed, joked. What we say? But every day complain. Then that gopi think of Mother Jashoda, she did not believe. And Krishna used to come my house and stealing butter. That time that gopi thinking, okay, today I will catch him with a red. Red-handed. Then early in the morning, Brahma Murta, that gopi, she was churning yogurt. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti, Krishna Yadava Saketi, of Krishna, Bhagavan, but the nature of Krishna. One who calls him, he will go. This is not his fault. More mantra japi more kare avhan. If you chant my mantra and offering fruit, then I will come. Pujari offered Thakurji, chant whose mantra? Krishna mantra, Gopal mantra, Gaur mantra. So Krishna is thinking, Gopi is chanting yogurt and calling to me. So I have to
Honor the invitation.
take her makhan butter because he pressed butter. And then Krishna came. That time Gopi, she also prepared very nice fresh butter and put on. Then she is thinking, oh, Krishna is very clever. So she also batti ko bujha di.
She turned the light of the ghee lamp out.
Ghee lamps, she put up the ghee lamp. Because Brajavasi that time no electricity, nothing. They put the ghee lamp in their room. Eh? Yes. So then she is thinking, well, Krishna cannot see. So how Krishna will wear? How do you know? Where is the butter is there? But Krishna is very clever. Krishna has very nice, beautiful and bangles. There are bangles of so many thousands. Eh? Our Goswami very nicely glorified this way. Vishnu Chakravarti Pad. Sri Krishna Bhavnamrita, this Leela very nicely glorified. Eh? Makhan Charita. So Krishna you are doing this. Then automatically that house completely what? Illuminated. Eh? Then Krishna noticed, oh, here the Makhan. That gopi, just she is taking rest, but she is thinking maybe Krishna will come. And then Krishna came, and also Krishna entered in that the room as like the step of the cat. And if cat entered in the house, you cannot hear the sound. And step of the cat. In the same way, Krishna is very clever. And Krishna is very clever. Gopi is also more than. Otherwise, how possible catch Krishna? Krishna is walking as like the step of the cat. And Gopi is thinking, oh now Krishna has come. Then when Krishna just entered in his hand in the butter pot, then Gopi very quickly came and caught his hand. And, hey, why you are stealing here? What is stealing? This is my house. Gopi told, no, this is my house. Krishna says, this is my house. And Gopi says, my house. Okay, now compromise. Then Gopi said, why you are doing this? Then Krishna told, listen, I am not stealing butter. I am looking my cup. The cup? Here is cup. Yes. My cup jumped inside the room. How possible? Then Krishna more and more charming. The bird. And then Krishna manifests one small marble cup. Look this.
Given by Nanda Maharaj.
And given by Mother Joshua. Mother Maharaj. Mother Maharaj is something so good. You put in his pocket.
Mother Maharaj is still all the cows in the folder.
Okay. Those are much. And I will give some lesson to you. Your mother did not believe you are coming and stealing butter from our house. Said, okay, come. I saw your mother. Then also butter in his hands and this way. As you know, evidence. Then Gopi is going, Krishna is very clever. And you know, Brajavasi, Braj Gopis, when they also there little bit, or they are head to cover with their veil.
Palu bolte हैं? नहीं.
End of the sari.
Okay. Okay, now coming this way. Then Krishna, after a few minutes, told, hey Gopi, listen. So long time, you caught my hand and feeling pain. So you can hold another hand. You are going this way. Okay, no problem. Where will go?
One hand for the other.
Will go here. But Krishna is very clever because Krishna is Bhagavan. And he is doing this. Krishna, he performs all his Leela with his Yogamaya. Bhagavata is there. Without Bhagavata cannot perform Leela. Bhagavata is there. Opponent is there. But by Yogamaya, Brajagopis, they did not see or did not believe. Because where this Bhagavata, there the Madhurya is there also. In Madhurya, Bhagavata is there. Understand? So Krishna is very clever. Krishna with his Yogamaya, then Krishna ran away and put the hand of her son. But she did not know. She is thinking, I am holding the hand of Krishna. But Krishna ran away. And Krishna very quickly and came and lay down on his bed and also covered on chadar and taking breath, breathing. Pretending,
And washed his hand.
Very quick. Then here Gopi She Gopi, she also came, knocked her. Hey, Jasode, Jasode, Jasode. You never believe. Your son used to go our house and steal. Now you can see. Then Mother opened the door, and we looking. My son Krishna is sleeping, deep sleep. Krishna is very clever, eh? Huh? Understand? Damodar. Your son sleeping? Huh?
Snoring.
Snoring. Huh? Hey mother, do you never believe? Look, I brought your son. Look, with a red hand. Then mother says, my son Krishna is sleeping. Hey, no, I brought him. That the mother is the same Krishna. Then mother, okay, you open your bell.
Veil.
Hey, go ke kholo. Then she will say, look, my son, your son. No, your son. She is very angry. But when she opened her bell, why did you bring here? Her son crying. Gopi becomes angry. This is your what is Krishna? Then Krishna also wakes up. Krishna coming to my mother, look. They always blaming to me, I am going their house and stealing butter. Then Gopi thinking, maybe this is my fault. Maybe in my dream, I thought Krishna came my house and now I brought my. Then she became very shy. So why this katha is very sweet, and again you will listen this katha, so taste will come. Because this katha is Krishna katha. If Krishna would ordinary person, your not interest will come. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. But this Bhagavata completely covered with Madhurya, sweetness. Krishna Bhagavad. Krishna performs any love, all his leelas. There is Bhagavata is there. Supremacy is there, Bhagavata is there. But that Bhagavata completely covered with Madhurya. So for this your sweetness comes. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Same Gaura Lila. Gaur Sundar is none even Krishna. Gaura Katha is very sweet, more than Krishna Katha. Gaura Katha is very sweet, more than Krishna. Bole hi. Because Gaur Sundar, he performs as like more than human being. Because when Bhagavan, Krishna, he performs this lila as a human being, that is called Madhurya. What? Baladev Vidyabhasan Prabhu. He explained about Oisarja and Madhurya. Madhurya means which lila is not beyond the opulence, but his activities as a human being, Manav Lila. That is called Madhurya Lila. Or Oisarja Lila, which Lila is beyond of human being Lila, where is the opulence. That is called Oisarja Lila. Krishna Lila and Gaur Lila, when you to compare with Krishna Lila, Gaur Lila, then Gaur Lila is so sweet. As the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Goswami Nimai. Nimai many Leelas, you look. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, he disturbed the Brahmanas. Those who are argument each other's logicians. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he used to go to school, and he coming, while the Brahmanas they are taking bath, and they also discuss. Then Mahaprabhu, what is he doing? When Brahman chanting Gayatri mantra, or Devi mantra, some mantra, and Mahaprabhu took water on his mouth and threw it to them. Krishna did not this lila, but Mahaprabhu did this lila. Then Brahman become very angry. Hey, your
Dirty mouth.
dirty water from your mouth. You completely what? Contaminated. If anybody vomiting your body, what will do? You will be angry and you have to take bath. But Brahmanas, they do not understand. Are Brahma, Shiva, Nara, they are hankering, taking the Mahaprabhu's remnants. But Brahmanas by Jogma, they do not understand. They are thinking, oh, Nimai, he contaminated our body with his
saliva.
water from his mouth. It is saliva. Water from his mouth. Water from mouth is what? Dirty. Understand? So Brahmanas, Brahmanas, they don't understand. Look this thing, how is going on this way? Goswami. Then Brahmana, they complain to Jagannath Mishra. Jagannath says, okay, when Nimai will come, I will have it. Then Nimai came. But Nimai is coming. Look, before he took bath in the Ganges and everything, now in front of Jagannath Mishra, as a complete innocent baby. And still also some ink in his mouth, dot is like. And babies when start to write, they maybe write in the paper maybe 1-2 lines. Or most of these are writing on his own hand and the body. And if you give the pen to the baby, baby not write on the paper very little. Or most of the write. In the same way, Nimai. His mouth is also the same. And completely dry face. Then Jagannath Mishra surprised. How possible? My son disturbed the Brahmanas in the Ganges. But still Mahaprabhu or Jagannath Mishra chastised. But when Nimai started to cry, Mom, I did not go there. Then Brahmanas sometimes say, no, don't disturb your son. Sometimes they will laugh and happy, no, Lord Chaitanya, Nimai. Look, this Diva. Young girls, they also worship Shivji. And Shiva Murti, when they used to go to take bath in the Ganges, on the bank of the Ganges, they took the sand and also put the Shiva Linga and overseeing from, and also offering, Sandesh, understand? Bengal sweet, Batasa, and all. Our Mahaprabhu, what is doing? Sitting on the place of Shivji. Right? Why you worship Shivji? Shivji is my servant. And Durga, she is my maid servant. And you worship to me, I will give blessing to you. Ama pujo, ami dibo. And Shiva Durga, amara king kar. Mahaprabhu told Nimai, baby Nimai, not more than 5 or 6 years. Nimai, he told the young girls, hey, why you worship? To Kali, Durga, Shiva. You worship to me and give me all offerings. And give me banana, kela, give me sandesh, give me. I will give blessing. Some young girls, they are thinking, oh, maybe not. Some will give him, or some will.
Hey, jump.
Stupid nonsense. They don't want. They also took their everything and run. Then Nimai also chasing better by force. Disturb the young girls. They complain also. And not only this, Mahaprabhu, those who are not want to give, then Mahaprabhu also, Nimai, he also giving the curse to them. And if you not give to me, you will marry with one ugly old man. That can be, maybe.
With many wives.
Co-wives. Sometimes they are afraid. Oh, he is Brahman boy. Maybe
Curse will come.
and curse will come. Then again they return back and nobody, okay, can you check this thing? But they complain to Sachima. this way. It's realized. How is realized then? Gaur Lila is sweet. More than Krishna Lila.
Mahaprabhu's Leela is more human-like than Krishna.
Krishna Lila.
More human.
Gaur Lila, very sweet. You read Gaur Lila. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavad, or Chaitanya Chandramrit, many Chaitanya Mangal. You read Chaitanya Krishna Lila, only Srimad Bhagavatam or other things. But Gaur Lila, you have to want to learn Gaur Lila, you collect many granthas. Understand? This Gaur Lila is very sweet. More than Krishna Lila. But Gaur Lila, Krishna Lila, both are the same. Understand? Very sweet. Hello, Gaura, 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 Gaura. Hello, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori. Tanande Prana Tanna Nadi Abhihari. Nityananda Prana Tanna Nadi Abhihari. Hello, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori. Tanande Prana Tanna Nadi Abhihari. Hello, Nadi Abhihari, Jai Nadi Abhihari. Nadi Abhihari, Jai Nadi Abhihari. Nandana, Jai Gaura Hori. Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori. Hello, Gaura, 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 Gaura,
Jai Shri Bhaktivinoda Maharaj ki jai, Shri Shokti Maharaj ki jai, Maharaj ki jai.
I want to write also Gauranga Lila, Gauranga Smarana. Bhaktivinoda Thakur one grantha is also Gauranga Smarana. But if you write, if you know the Gauranga, collect many granthas. Many granthas. Then you can properly write it.
Next book.
Next book.
After the next one.
ठीक है अच्छा लगा हाँ गौर संगत की कृपा हो रही ना गौर कथा सुन रहे हो ना राधा जी की कृपा हो रही गौर कृपा और राधा जितना गौर कृपा होती जाएगा नहीं राधा जी की कृपा मिल जाएगी हाँ हमें गौर कृपा गौर कथा
You wanted to Can we do it in WhatsApp? You have WhatsApp? I don't have it registered on my phone because it's always causing problems on my phone. Yeah, I don't use it. No, it's just I have a do you have WhatsApp though? Yeah, because then I can.
Do mine as well? Have your watch girl.
What do you want me to do?
Put your name and number. And do the video of the kids.
Me. Joy.
जय नित्य कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतमान भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज की
जय।
गोस्वामी भक्ति वेदांत त्रिविक्रम गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। श्री भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव संस्थान भोपाल श्री गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। सिद्धार्थ गोस्वामी गोस्वामी महाराज रूपांग गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। श्री राधा श्याम सुंदर राधा मधुर राधा वृंदावन चंद्र जी की जय। जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा जी की जय। समेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन प्रेमानंदे हरि पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो जय श्री गुरुदेव की
जय।
भक्तिवेदांत महाराज की जय। भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय। श्री अवधूत महाराज की जय। आनंद कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय। Yes, tomorrow morning program is not here. Program is at Kishori's place. Address is here outside on this little paper.
Today she did not come.
No, she's preparing, I think. And we are gonna perhaps we will go here with 3 cars. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. Some devotees can go from here. So if who wants to come, they can discuss with me. I don't know, I have to check. Maybe half an hour. Okay.
How far walking?
Walking.
Too far.
You can go now.
We pick you up on the way tomorrow.
Take the train. Go. By train. No, to give you the address.
Like tram.
It's written there outside.
Yeah. Well, from here to her door,
Evening program is here.
30. To here to her door, complete. 25.
And Wednesday we're gonna have here. At the noontime.
I hope we have tomorrow.
Gora Premanande Hari
Hari Hari Bol.